Welcome back to another exciting chemistry lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to write empirical formula from a molecular formula. An empirical formula, again, is basically a formula that shows the lowest whole number ratio of atoms in that compound, where a molecular formula tells you the actual number of atoms of each element in that compound. For example, sucrose has a molecular formula of C6H12O6, which, if you look at the subscript, right, 6, 12, 6, they all can be divided by 6. And if that's the case, we can simplify to C2O. And this is our empirical formula. So let's do some example problem. Here we have H2O2. So they all can be divided by 2, right? So therefore, we have the empirical formula of HO. And for water, we cannot do any division because 2 and 1 doesn't go together. So we have H2O. And then for this one, C2H6, they both can divide it by 2 and divide by 2. And therefore, we have CH3. And here we have C2H4. This can be divided by 2. So we have CH2. And then we have C6H12O6, like we did that before. Divide by 6, divide by 6, give us CH2O. Now let's type in our answer to check our answer. Okay, we have HO, there you go, H2O, CH3, CH2, and then we submit our answer, and there you go. And as always, if you have any questions, take a picture of your work, put it in the forum, and we will help you from there. And we'll see you next time on another video.